So they work like umbrella in the rain. They suppose we cannot stop the rain, but we can save ourselves because of the this umbrella or self-help tools. Okay, so now today we are going to discuss lots of self-help tools. So please further, Rapesh, next
Hanji.
slide.
So,
Next slide.
Hanji. So before we go on to actually discussing the
Ah,
self-help tools, we
self-help
want
tools.
to just clarify the self-help tools ki hunde. I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure all
yeah.
of you know, but the
Hmm.
reason I wanted to pinpoint this today is because these are the tools that you can practically do anytime, anywhere. So a lot of the questions that we got were, how do we do something and how do we fit into our schedule? Because ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ study ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, online classes ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ, or if you're just a homemaker and you're working from home, you don't have the time to like take out an hour just to do one activity that might or might not help you. So the thing
Hmm.
about self-help tools is that you can do them anytime, anywhere. Literally, ਜੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ 5 ਮਿੰਟਾਂ ਦੀ break ਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ between classes, or if you're on a lunch break from your work, you can take out 5 minutes and do these tools, and they will lead to an immediate as well as a long term improvement in your well-being. ਤਾਂ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ 5 ਮਿੰਟ ਬੈਠ ਕੇ ਸਿਰਫ 5 minutes you giving it to yourself and you practicing one of the tools that we tell you today, it will lead to an improvement in your mood and in your well-being. You will feel calmer, you will feel ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ stress level ਸੀ ਉਹ ਥੋੜਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਨਾਲੋਂ reduced ਹੈ, right? So that is one of the major, and which is why we have picked self-help tools, because we do realize that they're not time consuming at all, and they're very very effective.
Hmm.
um Again, they slip seamlessly into your schedule and can brighten your day with a few minutes of practice. The tools that we have picked today are the tools which will seamlessly, literally 2 minutes, 5 minutes. I don't think we have even a single self help tool which will take more than 10 minutes. So, everything ranging from 2 to 5 minutes, that is the duration of the tools, right? So, we really, really hope that you'll find it convenient to fit them into your routine and to fit them into your schedule.
Yes,
All right.
very true. Hmm.
Before we go on to this, ma'am, would you like to share that story about the rain and umbrella?
Yeah. When we go out in the rain, like we cannot save ourselves, okay, from the rain, because rain is, we cannot control the rain basically. So to save us, we use some or the other, either raincoat or umbrella we use to save ourselves. So similarly, in the same way, self-help tools are very important in our life, especially nowadays, to save ourselves. Because these circumstances are like rain in our life nowadays, which we cannot control anywhere and anytime, but we can control and we can save ourselves. So self-help tools are umbrella to us and nowadays.
So it's basically about getting some sense of control back into our lives. I
Yeah.
feel JDV apni fear hai, it does stem from the fact that we can't control anything, right? Matlab, in this world, in the world that we're living in today, it's very very difficult to control the small things that we used to. We don't have routines, we don't have places to go to. So
Hmm.
self-help goals are basically something that will give you that sense of control, that will help you channel all of your energy inside and help you grow personally, right?
Hmm.
So which is the reason why we picked self-help tools today.